Network of employers looking for someone just like you. Plan for APM today, your injury, illness and disability employment partner. Visit apm.net.au.
News is next. APM helps job seekers with an injury, illness or disability find employment. Melbourne, 3AW, 693.
16 degrees in Melbourne, partly cloudy tomorrow, a top of 20. It's 4 o'clock. Good afternoon. I'm Jordan Tunbridge. 2 more suspected Omicron cases have emerged in Melbourne's western suburbs, but the Premier assures the state is staying open. Stephanie Wacklowick reports.
2 new COVID cases in Wyndham and Brimbank have revealed the S gene dropout, a sign of the Omicron variant. Genomic sequencing is now underway on 4 suspected cases of the new strain.